The clouds seem to be in or out today, but once again, when the sun is out, it feels very comfortable again today.
Sure is, and the next couple of days we're not going to see much sun, so if you get some this afternoon, make sure you enjoy it. Yeah. Okay. We don't have any big storms coming our way, but it's enough that we're going to have cloud cover and some precipitation to deal with here and there. Visible satellite tells the story pretty well. We've been in and out of clouds in parts of central and southern Maine. You can see this one area now moving into Casco Bay off the mid-coast. Lots of sunshine here in central and eastern Maine, and then more clouds once you get up into the foothills and the mountains. Here's York right now from Mount Agamenticus, 46 degrees there with lots of sunshine. And Prospect, looking over the Penobscot Narrows Bridge, we have mostly sunny skies there as well, but farther inland and north and west, that's where the clouds are still pretty common. 46 right now in Sanford, 42 in Augusta, and we are in the 30s for most of us up north. Still 29 though in Caribou. High pressure is dominating the East Coast right now. However, there's a system that's headed through Texas into Arkansas and Missouri. That's what's going to work up the East Coast and bring us a round of some rain, mainly Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But for the rest of today, partly sunny skies, even mostly sunny at times. Tonight, the weather remains quiet and we'll start out clear too. But late tonight, clouds will increase, so any sunshine tomorrow will probably be in the morning. We're looking at a lot of clouds through the afternoon, but we're dry through the daylight hours of tomorrow with temperatures that get back into the middle 40s for most of us here in central and southern Maine, low 40s off to the north. Tomorrow night, this warm front moves in, and it looks very similar to the way that it looked Thursday and Friday when I was last with you last week, and that we get some showers and a brief period of steadier rain Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But it should be mild enough that most of us are just dealing with rain. It might be the very coldest valleys where you get a little freezing rain for a short period of time Wednesday morning. And then this cold front comes through early on Thanksgiving, and the wind will kick up and colder air will blow in for the end of the week. We'll give you a closer view of that timeline. Tomorrow, 7 p.m., still cloudy, but here comes the rain overnight tomorrow night. But for many of us, the temperatures are above freezing, almost all of us. It looks like any cold valleys would be pretty isolated and maybe just get a little bit of freezing drizzle or light freezing rain Wednesday morning. But you see, the vast majority of us, that's not much of a problem. And once we get past 7 or 8 in the morning, most of the rain actually moves out on Wednesday. So we're just looking at lots of clouds, and it's actually milder for Wednesday afternoon. We might hit 50 degrees for the first time in 2+ weeks in Portland on Wednesday. We haven't done it since back on November 10th. Otherwise, though, not much precipitation out there after the morning on Wednesday, just a few spotty showers. And then that cold front comes through very early Thursday morning with maybe one last shower, and the wind will pick up on the backside. So for Thanksgiving Day, turkeys are ready. We'll see clearing skies as the day goes along. It is going to be a brisk and breezy day, and late in the day that cold air moves in, and it does look quite cold for Black Friday and for next weekend. Here's the marine forecast for the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet with a northwest wind 5 to 15 knots. Clouds return tomorrow after a little morning sunshine, and then we have rain that moves through tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. But most of that rain is early in the day on Wednesday, and the afternoon actually should be fairly mild. Thanksgiving Day, skies clear, but it's windy, and then Brian, it looks cold for Black Friday and to at least start the weekend. It looks windy and quite chilly. Might only be in the 30s for highs on Saturday.
Yeah, you were mentioning after Thanksgiving we kind of drop off there.
Yeah.
30s. Okay, we'll be ready for it. Ron,
Sounds good.
thank you.
Thanks.